Hello, and welcome to Health Action Channel. Have you ever considered that the first signs of aging might not be in your face or your mind, but in your legs? It's a surprising truth. Long before your memory starts to fade or your eyesight dims, your body is already sending out quiet warnings, and they begin with a loss of strength in your lower body. Most people don't realize that the first true signal of physical decline isn't a complex diagnosis. It's a simple, noticeable change in how your legs feel and function. The weakening of your legs isn't just about how you look. It's a serious red flag, a biological siren warning you that your body is losing its ability to bounce back. The muscles in your legs, your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and calves, are the largest in your entire body. They are the foundation for everything you do, from standing and walking to maintaining balance and proper circulation. When they get weaker, it's not just a minor inconvenience. It's the start of a serious downward slide. This muscle loss leads to a slower metabolism, reduced blood flow, unstable joints, and a much higher risk of falls. This isn't a problem that starts in old age. This muscle loss, a condition called sarcopenia, can begin as early as your 30s and 40s and accelerates with every decade. By the time you reach your 60s or 70s, you could have lost up to 30% to 40% of your total muscle mass, with most of it coming from your legs. This isn't just a natural part of getting older, it's a disease of neglect. But unlike gray hair or wrinkles, it's something you can reverse, but only if you take action now. Today, we'll explore 6 powerful foods, each one scientifically proven to support leg strength, reduce inflammation, and send the hormonal signals that protect muscle and your independence. These aren't just trendy superfoods, they're survival foods. Because the quality of your legs truly determines the quality of your life. And now you have a chance to eat in a way that supports both. Your legs are full of active tissue that burns calories, regulates hormones, and supports blood flow more than almost any other part of your body. They are also deeply connected to your nervous system. As your leg strength fades, so does your ability to move with ease, your confidence, and, eventually, your independence. This is why doctors often look at walking speed and leg strength as key indicators of a person's overall health and longevity. The slower and weaker your legs become, the more vulnerable your entire body becomes. But you can absolutely turn this around. Your leg strength isn't just about how much you exercise. It's about what you eat. Just as being inactive causes your muscles to fade, the right food can bring them back to life. You don't need expensive powders, risky injections, or a pricey gym membership. You need targeted, powerful nutrition that reaches your body where it's needed most. Your legs. Food isn't a passive fuel, it's a biological messenger. The moment it enters your body, it starts sending signals to reduce inflammation, build new tissue, and protect the energy factories in your cells. The silent breakdown. Why your legs weaken. First, your legs carry the full weight of your body through every room, every hallway, and every step of your life. Yet, they are also the first to suffer in silence when your body starts to falter. So, why do your legs weaken before anything else? The answer lies in how your body decides what to prioritize and how a modern sedentary life deprives your lower body of the signals it needs to stay strong. The muscles in your legs need constant use to stay healthy. They thrive on challenges, good blood flow, and a steady supply of nutrients. But in today's lifestyle, we sit for hours at desks, on couches, and in cars. The signal that once told your body to build and protect leg muscle is replaced with silence. Your body takes this as a sign that it doesn't need those muscles anymore, and it starts to break them down. Your blood vessels get smaller, nerve connections fade, and the energy factories in your cells slow down. This isn't aging. It's your body simply adapting to a lack of movement. On top of this, hormonal changes make the problem worse. As you get older, your levels of important hormones like testosterone, estrogen, and growth hormone begin to drop. These hormones don't just affect your energy and mood. They directly control how well your body builds and repairs muscle. At the same time, the stress hormone, cortisol, starts to rise more easily and stay high for longer. Chronic cortisol levels can stop muscle from being built and instead promote fat. And it often shows up first in your legs. There's another layer to this. As blood flow to your legs decreases, oxygen and nutrients can't reach your muscles efficiently. This leads to a condition called chronic ischemia, which means your muscle cells are essentially starving. This is why so many people over 60 complain of heavy legs, slow walking, and a fear of stairs. It's not because they're too old to recover. It's because the supply chain to their muscles has been cut off. But here's the encouraging truth. Muscle is one of the most adaptable tissues in your body. You can rebuild it. You can restore blood flow. You can reverse sarcopenia. And you can start naturally with food. When you eat foods that are rich in nutrients, reduce inflammation, and get oxygen to your blood, the results are amazing. You reduce stress in your leg muscles. You rebuild the protein that makes muscles work. You improve nerve signals that help with coordination. And you restart the tiny engines that power every step you take. Your legs aren't aging too fast. They've just been underfed. The solution is already in your kitchen. In the next section, we'll start our journey through 3 foods that were chosen not because they're popular, but because they directly address the needs of your legs. Survival. Food number 1. Beets. If your legs feel heavy, cold, tired, or slow, beets may be the food your body is quietly asking for. Beets are one of the most scientifically studied natural foods for improving blood flow. They are rich in dietary nitrates, which your body turns into nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is a biological messenger that tells your blood vessels to relax and open up. When that happens, blood flow increases and your legs wake up. Poor circulation is a silent reason why leg strength fades. Without enough oxygen-rich blood reaching your legs, your muscles get tired faster, nerve signals weaken, and joints get stiff. Many people describe their legs as sluggish or numb without knowing why. The problem is that their blood vessels are squeezed shut. By increasing nitric oxide, beets restore that flow. But the benefits go beyond just circulation. Better blood flow means a better delivery of oxygen, amino acids, glucose, and other nutrients to your leg muscles. It means you'll recover faster after a walk, feel less sore after climbing stairs, and have more energy when you stand for a long time. In studies, beetroot juice has been shown to improve walking distance in people with poor circulation in their legs. In older adults, beets have been shown to improve walking speed, balance, and even the efficiency of the tiny energy factories in your cells. At the cellular level, beets help restore the machinery that powers your legs. Beets also help lower inflammation. Their deep red color comes from compounds called betalains, which are natural antioxidants that reduce stress in your muscles and joints. If your legs ache in the cold, swell after standing, or feel tight for no reason, these are signs of inflammation and beets can help. To get the most benefit, eat beets raw or roasted. Beet juice is powerful but strong, so a small amount goes a long way. Pairing beets with foods rich in vitamin C, like lemons or oranges, can help your body absorb the nitrates even better. So, when you think of beets, don't just think of a root vegetable. Think of a food that delivers strength to where you need it most. Survival. Food number 2, sardines and fatty fish. In a silent war against aging, few things work as fast as chronic inflammation. It eats away at muscle fibers, stiffens joints, weakens blood flow, and messes up your hormones. And where does it hit first and hardest? Your legs. But nature has its own remedy, found not in a pharmacy, but in the sea. Sardines and wild salmon are some of the most powerful anti-inflammatory foods we know of. Small but mighty, sardines are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, specifically EPA and DHA, which your body can't make on its own. These molecules actively go into your cells and turn off inflammatory genes. They tell your immune system to calm down and start repairing. Inflammation in the legs often hides behind common problems like aching knees, restless calves, or a burning feeling after walking. It might be called arthritis or just getting old, but the real issue is often deeper. Omega-3s help clear out the chemicals that cause inflammation, allowing your muscles and joints to become fluid again. Sardines are also an amazing source of vitamin D, a hormone-like nutrient essential for strong bones and muscles. Most people over 50 don't get enough vitamin D, which can weaken not just their bones, but their legs themselves. Without it, your muscles can't contract well, leading to instability and even falls. Sardines, with their edible bones, offer a unique combination of calcium and vitamin D, making them a complete package for keeping your legs and bones strong. Then there's the protein. Every step you take starts with your muscles, and muscles are built from amino acids. Sardines and salmon offer complete protein, containing all the essential amino acids needed to rebuild and repair muscle tissue. The healthy fats in these fish also help regulate hormones like insulin and cortisol, and support the production of testosterone and estrogen. This hormonal support gives you more stable energy, better sleep, and a stronger response to exercise. So don't be fooled by the size of a sardine. It's a tiny fish with a huge amount of nutrients designed to protect your muscles, bones, and brain. Survival food. Number 3, pumpkin seeds. There's a mineral most people don't think about until their legs start cramping in the middle of the night. Magnesium. And it's hiding in a food so small, most people ignore it. The pumpkin seed. But don't let its size fool you. Pumpkin seeds, also called pepitas, are one of the most magnesium-rich foods on Earth. Magnesium is the silent conductor of muscle strength, nerve health, and energy production. When you don't have enough of it, your muscles get stiff, your nerves misfire, and your legs get tired faster. Your legs require more magnesium than almost any other part of your body because they are in constant motion, holding up your frame and correcting your balance. Every step relies on magnesium to help your muscles work correctly. Pumpkin seeds not only have a lot of magnesium, but they also provide it in a form your body can easily use. Just one handful gives you almost 40% of your daily need. But it's not just about stopping cramps. Magnesium helps relax your blood vessels, which improves circulation to your legs. It also plays a key role in helping your body handle stress. High levels of the stress hormone cortisol can quickly use up your magnesium stores. This is why you might wake up with tight muscles and stiff ankles after a poor night's sleep. Pumpkin seeds help refill your magnesium stores while also providing healthy fats and other nutrients that promote restful sleep and lower stress. They also contain zinc, another important mineral for muscle repair and hormone balance. And the fiber in pumpkin seeds helps keep your blood sugar stable, so you don't have those sudden energy crashes that make your legs feel heavy. Strength doesn't always come from what you lift. Sometimes it comes from what you put back into your body. True muscle recovery happens during deep sleep. If you're not sleeping well, your legs are not healing well. Many seniors get stuck in a cycle where poor sleep leads to more pain, which then makes sleep even worse. Tart cherries break this cycle by reducing pain and supporting melatonin production, helping you get the deep rest your legs need to recover. They also improve blood flow and protect the tiny engines in your muscle cells from damage, helping you move with more ease and less fatigue.